Do you like cooking? Cooking is one of the hobbies of many people. Let's watch this video and see how people show their cooking interests. I really love cooking. Wow, the crab noodles at this restaurant are amazing. This is the best noodle I've ever eaten. That's right, Kelly. They made this very well. Do you want to order one more dish? Okay, Anna. Anna, where is your boyfriend James? Why don't you take him with you? He also goes out with his friends tonight. They have a small party at a friend's house and James will cook. Does he love cooking, Anna? Yes, he loves to cook. He often cooks for me when he comes to my home. So, do you also like to cook? Yes, cooking is one of my passions. I love to cook for people at my house, and they also love the food that I make. Oh, you mean you cook meals for everyone in your house every day? Yes, Anna. You're a really capable girl. I live alone but rarely cook. I often buy food from outside. Actually, my housemates don't know how to cook, so I have to cook for them to save money, and I'm happy to cook for everyone. Have you ever made crab noodles like this? No, I've not, but after today, I think I'll try doing it at home. The taste of this noodle dish is awesome. Remember to invite me to eat with you too. I really want to try the food you make. Yes, of course, Anna. I can also make a very good beef steak. I have my own secret for the sauce of the beef dish. I love beef steak. I really want to try it. You can come to my house next week. I'll make them for you. You can also take James to come with you. Okay, Kelly, we'll definitely come. Let's surprise us. Anna, my dishes won't make you disappointed. Oh, they're bringing our noodles here. Let's continue enjoying it. Okay, Kelly. Do you cook well? Mark, look down. Everything is so small and shimmering. The view of this rooftop is so great. The air is also so fresh and cool. You know what, Mark? The Master Chef program once set up the show at this pub. Really, Lily? I don't know. But I also love watching Master Chef. I'm a big fan of Gordon Ramsay. So, you can cook, Mark? I'm so curious. Yes, honey, I can cook a lot of delicious dishes. When I have free time, I try to make new dishes according to online recipes. How they often are, Mark? Very good taste, honey. Can I believe it? You always do nothing when you come to my house, and I have to prepare the meal for you. Because you didn't ask me for help. I always cooked for myself when I was in college. All my friends compliment me on my good cooking. Really, Mark? Wow, I'm fairly surprised. If you don't believe me, you can come to my home this weekend and I'll prepare a special meal for you. I love to cook, especially for you, my love. You're so cute, Mark. Okay, let me check your cooking ability that weekend. What dishes are you going to serve me on this day?
It's a secret. I'll surprise you.
Will it include my favorite dish?
Of course. I know what it is, don't worry.
I'm so excited about it. I believe you, Mark.
Okay, do you want to watch a blockbuster after finishing coffee? I've watched its trailer and it's awesome.
Of course, Mark. Let's go to the theater. I can't cook anything well.
Enjoy your meal, Alan. Thank you for preparing dinner tonight. Wow, the dishes look so delicious and beautiful. You're welcome, Alan. Let's try this potato soup. It's fairly spicy, but I think you'll love it. No problem, Louise. I'm a big fan of spicy food. Let me see. Wow, it's perfect for me. I love it. You're so good at cooking, Louise. Thanks, Alan. Let's eat other dishes, by the way. I really admire people who can cook well. Actually, I'm a terrible cook. Really, Alan? Have you ever made something to eat? Yes, of course, but they are almost failed. I don't have a knack for cooking. Could you tell me more about this? Once, I was planning to surprise my girlfriend by cooking her favorite dish, beefsteak. However, I burned the whole piece of meat, and that day we had to have dinner in a restaurant near my house. You're so clumsy, my friend. Another time, I cooked chicken soup for a close friend. Everything seemed fine until my friend tasted it. It was too salty. We had to order pizza again. Cooking seems to be quite difficult for you. I don't know, I've never been praised for my cooking. I can teach you some dishes. Do you want to learn? Really, Louise? Of course. Can you teach me how to cook this potato soup first? I really love its taste. Yes, Alan, it isn't as hard as you think. I'll write the recipe for you and you just have to follow it. No, I do not think so. I don't have the confidence to make it myself. I need you to guide me directly for once. Okay, my friend, how about tomorrow night? Are you free? Yes, I'll come to your house tomorrow to learn it. Okay, Alan. I'll let you make it and just remind you when something goes wrong. I believe you can do it. Okay, let's open the TV now. It's time for my favorite program on CNN.
I don't like cooking. Today's party will be very crowded. We have to wash a lot of vegetables. Yes, Luna, I heard that Kelly invited a lot of her friends and her colleagues. I wish I could hold a big party like this. Me too. Will you participate in cooking? No, Sarah, I hate cooking. Why, Luna? I feel like cooking is a waste of time. I can buy food from the store and eat it well. So you never cook at home, right? Sometimes when I have free time. I'm quite busy with work and usually come home late. I don't have time to prepare dinner for myself. Poor you. But you know what, Luna? you should still cook it for yourself. It'll save you money and you can take control of what you're eating. But how do that, Sarah? I'm too busy. Maybe you should find a new roommate. She'll help you prepare the meal. Or you can talk to your boss and ask him to allow you to go home early to prepare a meal. You can continue to work after eating. Great idea, Sarah. I'll talk to my boss first. Good, Luna. I believe you'll enjoy eating the food you make yourself. You can also find new dishes on the internet and try to make them. It will be very interesting. Okay, Luna. Thanks for your advice. You're welcome, my friend.
Hi, Maria. It's Isabella. Hi, Isabella. What's up? There is a new pub downtown, and I wanted to ask if you want to go check it out with me tonight. A pub? Sure, but I haven't been to a pub before. I'm kinda nervous. Don't worry. I got you, and the bartender will help you choose the drink that fits your taste. So I'll meet you there at 8 p.m. Is that fine? Sure. See you then. Bye. Later. Hey, Maria, over here.
Hi, girls. What can I help you with today?
Hi, I don't know what to order. Can you help me with the menu?
Sure. Here. I highly recommend this drink, Whiskey Sour. It's a bourbon-based cocktail, a combination of whiskey, sugar, and lemon juice. It's my all-time favorite.
I want something fresher. How about a mojito?
This classic Cuban cocktail features a combination of citrus, sweet, and mint flavors to control the strong taste of rum. But I think it especially is enjoyable on a hot summer day at the pool.
Maria, how about Long Island iced tea? You like iced tea, right?
For those who love iced tea, this Long Island-based drink is even better. It may look like a regular glass of tea, but a mixture of vodka, rum, tequila, gin, triple sec, and cola can give it a strong taste.
Or you can try lemon drop. It is the perfect combination of sweet and sour, garnished with a fun and colorful lemon twist, and sugar around the rim of the glass for extra sweetness. It's my favorite drink. They both sound tasty, but I want to see other options. What does this Bloody Mary taste like?
This popular and complex beverage can be as spicy or mild as you like. Flavorings such as Tabasco sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and cayenne pepper can be added according to your preferred taste.
That's interesting. I think I will try the spicy Bloody Mary, please.
Great choice. You will love it.
This is fun, right? We should do this more often. Sure, I'll try other drinks next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.